Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. This time I'm reacting to Spicy Punk Rocker in this video, eating 15 Carolina Reapers featuring at Nico Cotto Avocado. At least that's how I think it's pronounced, and if I mispronounced it, I apologize. I'm sorry to the owner of this channel. I'm sorry to everybody else too. He asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Bruh. Well, hello there. I'm Spicy Punk Rocker. Ooh. Hey, Bill, what's going on? Excuse me, Spicy Punk Rocker. I heard that you eat hot peppers like cornflakes. Spicy Punk Rocker, show me a real Reaper mukbang. Do it. I'm waiting. Come on, Spicy Punk Rocker. Oh, I'm serious. Thanks, Nikocado. My name is Spicy Punk Rocker. I am a idiot. Anyway, we're gonna get straight to the chase. This is a bag of Carolina Reapers. I'm gonna eat 15 Carolina Reaper mukbang with motivation of Nikocado Avocado in celebration of getting monetized on YouTube. Anyway, quick little intro. Thank you guys so much for getting me monetized again. If you're a member of my channel or known as the SPR Squad, you'll be featured at the end of this video and every video that I do. Link in the description if you want to be a member. Without further ado, I'm going to eat 15 dried. I wanted to get fresh, but I couldn't find fresh. So 15 dried Carolina Reapers. Here we go. Here's a little thumbnail action here. Please like, share, subscribe, because I'm going to get so obliterated. So obliterated. And like I said, if you want your name to appear at the end of every video I do, check the description or the pinned comment, SPR Squad memberships. Custom emojis too. I'm stalling. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on everyone, notifications. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
creepers are creepers. You might ask him. Temporary relief, but it comes back even worse. Gone, but it just keeps on coming back. Worse, like the Energizer Bunny. For watching my monetization special featuring Nikocado Avocado. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe for more crap. My tongue is on fire. Peace.
Awesome and interesting video. I give it a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Spicy Punk Rockers channel, if you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to Spicy Punk Rockers channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both their videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 7,000 subscribers, and on my second channel we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists on both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 7,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 2,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well also, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.